I'm going to show you how you can easily send money to the USA from the Philippines. First, visit the Western Union website on your web browser. In the Send To section, select the USA as the recipient country. Next, enter the amount of money you wish to send. Then tap on Send Money Now to proceed. Now choose how your receiver will get the money. Select Bank Account for direct deposit into their bank. After that, choose your preferred payment method like a debit card, credit card, or bank transfer. Click on Continue to move forward. You'll be prompted to log in. Enter your Western Union account credentials and tap on Log In. Then tap on Accept to confirm the terms and proceed. Now enter the recipient's details. Start with their first and last name as it appears on their bank account. Then input the receiver's full address, including street, city, and postal code. After that, provide the receiver's bank account details such as the account number and bank name. Double-check all the information displayed on the screen. Once everything is correct, click on Continue to complete the transaction.